Well, certainly, I don't want to sound trite, but it's our people. I think our greatest asset has to be our people. Uh, I look back and I've been involved in a lot of the history project and doing a lot of research on this over the last year or so. And I've come to find that we hired really, really good people, and we continue to hire really, really good people. And that's our greatest resource. I mean, you can put iron on the ground and you can have all the bells and whistles and the GIS and the computers and all that other jazz. But if you don't have good people to run this stuff and deliver your programs, you're not going to be successful. And I look back on the people that have come before us and those that stayed and those that left. Many of those that left actually went on to even better things. Our first fire chief was a fellow by the name of Page Bunker, and he went on to become the first state forester of Alabama. And there's been other instances where TFSers have left and gone on to even greater things. And so I think we have hired very, very well here. I think being part of the Texas A&M system helps us attract better people and helps us retain better people. Those that we don't retain, in many cases, go on to even better things.